Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Fusion Medical Staffing, Healthcare Jobs app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Fusion Medical Staffing is a healthcare job placement app designed to connect medical professionals with travel, per diem, and long-term assignments across the United States. The platform helps nurses, therapists, lab techs, and allied health workers browse open positions, compare facility details, review pay packages, and apply directly through the app. It's available on both iOS and Android and includes tools for tracking applications, communicating with recruiters, and managing assignment documents in one place. The app's main feature is its job matching and filters. You can search by specialty, location, pay rate, shift type, and contract length. Fusion Medical Staffing also provides recruiter support, assignment updates, and an easy-to-use dashboard where users can upload certifications, licenses, and compliance documents needed for placements. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate its clear job listings, transparent pay information, supportive recruiters, and simplified documentation process. The app helps healthcare professionals quickly find relevant travel assignments and stay organized throughout hiring and onboarding. However, there are some drawbacks. Job availability varies by region and specialty, and some users report slower recruiter responses during peak seasons. The app also relies on updated facility data, which may occasionally lead to mismatched details. In addition, competitive roles may fill quickly, requiring frequent checking. In summary, the Fusion Medical Staffing app may be worth using if you want organized access to travel healthcare jobs, clear pay breakdowns, and easy recruiter communication. However, if you prefer local, non-travel roles or want instant placement without competition, it might not be the best fit for you. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.